software companies, there are a lot of us who work hard. There are people who work harder. And then there are people to ensure we work hard, we work harder. And those are the managers slash bosses. Let's give slash what? Tell me. You can go on with the slashes, but you'll only find your pay packet slashed if they find out. Let's give all our bosses a big round of applause, everybody. Come on, let's give them a big round of applause. So I see in front of me this beautiful senior leadership team. Radha sir is there as well. May I please request all of you all to come up on stage. We've had, you know, the others perform so far. We've seen their talent. I'm sure even you all have some talent hidden somewhere within you all. Gentlemen, the two ladies as well. Ma'am, अकेला थोड़ी पूरा talent संभालेंगे. आइए ना. मतलब संभाल तो रहे हैं, but फिर भी आइए. Shrija ma'am, where are you? Oh, ma'am has suddenly gone and sat down with the Aam Aadmis. Come, ma'am. Let's have a round of applause, please. Ma'am, आप एक काम करो, वो bag रख दो. Nobody will steal it. Come. Let's give them a round of applause, everybody. Come on.
Is this a rag?
So I'll tell you what we're going to do right now. It's a very, very simple activity that we're going to be doing. Acha, you're also leadership team, sir. Acha. Where are you going then? Oh, behind the stage. Go. Anybody else from the leadership team who's around here, sitting somewhere else?
Where is Sriram?
Ma'am,
Sriram.
please tell me the names. I will call them. Sir, you please call them, sir, please.
Sriram.
Sriram, where's Mr. Sriram at? Oh, come on.
Ranks.
Venks. Every software company has one Venks. Ranks. Where's Mr. Venks? Where's he, man? He's outside. Let him be there, ma'am. No problem. When he comes, we'll hear from him as well. No problem. Okay, great. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a full house cheer, please, everybody? Come on. No, we can do better than this. Can we have one full house cheer, everybody?
Ashok, we need you.
Where's Ashok? Who's Mr. Ashok? Mr. Ashok. Let's have a round of applause for Mr.
Sriram is
Ashok,
here.
everybody. Mr. Sriram is also there. So
Sriram, please come.
keep the applause going. Come on, let's clap for them. Ma'am, why don't you take the mic and call them, ma'am?
We'll get dragged as a group.
Okay, great. Now, ladies and gentlemen, since we have all our senior leadership team members on stage, may I quickly ask you all to pass on the mic. We'll start with Mr. Sriram to the extreme end. So we know your name, but still, the idea is just all of you all say your names and just say one hello to the entire audience. And when they say hello, what do you say? Hi, exactly. So you say, hi, my name is hello, my name is Sriram. Say hello and they'll say hi. Chalo, let's do this quickly. Everybody come on, let's get in. Start, sir.
Hello. Ashok here. Hello.
Saravanan. Hello.
Radha. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Amit.
I'm Seema. Hi, guys.
Hi all, this is Lavanya. Hello.
Hi, I'm Srija. Hi.
Okay, great. Now that we've finished with this round of hellos and highs, can we have one full house cheer, everybody? Come on, let's have a full house cheer. So I'll tell you what's going to happen right now. Basically, we're going to, we have one more person. ये मुझे लगता है इस कंपनी के सबसे अमीर आदमी है, इसलिए इनके पास कोट है.
Hi, it's Pranav.
Let's have a round of applause for Mr. Pranav as well. Come on, everybody. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I please request you all to take 2 steps at the back, please. 2 steps at the back. It's a very, very simple activity. We're not going to get you to dance. We're not going to get you to do any of that. You just need to walk the ramp because I think you guys are the leaders and most of them follow the path that you all lay for them since you all are such visionaries. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to be playing a few tracks. You need to just walk down the ramp here. You can do whatever jig you want. But you have to do a jig in the front. It need not be a dance necessarily. Whoever does the best jig will get a... Who said promotion? You're not getting one for sure, my friend. All right, let's have a full house cheer, everybody. Come on. So the person who does the best walk, the best jig will get a full house cheer. So ladies and gentlemen, let's first start off this ramp walk with a man who's got a coat. नहीं सर पहनना पड़ेगा सर के लिए शीला की जवानी बजाओ और कपड़े निकलेंगे. All right, let's kickstart the music. Sir, we'll start with you first. Come on. Contestant number 2, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sriram.
I can sing. Can I sing?
Sir, why did you come and walking like you're drunk, sir?
That's my wish.
Acha, very good. You want to sing a song? You're the boss.
Yeah.
You're the boss, sir.
You want a show next year or not?
Of course, sir.
Yeah.
You do whatever you want, sir. You want to sing, sir?
Yeah.
Please sing, sir.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, sir is going to sing. Nobody's going to say anything. Yes, sir, please. Sir, you want your job or no, sir?
So I'm the monkey and my boss is, I leave it to you to decide. Okay. All right. So I can sing. Yeah.
Sir, show's yours. Do whatever you want, sir.
Yeah. So can I or no? Thank you.
2 lines, sir. 2 lines at least. 2 lines.
So Tamil you said, right? So
Sir, நீங்க தமிழ்ல பாடணும்னா பாடுங்க.
thank you, sir.
இந்த ஈவென்ட்டே வேணும்னா நான் தமிழ்லயே பேசுறேன் சார். நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் மட்டும் கூப்பிடுங்க அவ்வளவுதான்.
Guys, disclaimer. Whatever happens here, we are not responsible.
Whatever happens here, I am not responsible. All right. So I think a bit of Josh is missing. Let me see if I can create it.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Or probably dampen it.
Yeah. என் வீட்டில் நான் இருப்பேன்னு எதிர் வீட்டில் அவ இருந்தாலு லவ் டார்ச்சர் பண்ண எனக்கு தெரியல. அவ டாடி மூஞ்சி பிடிக்கல, அவ மம்மி பேச்சும் பிடிக்கல, ஆனாலும் அவளை மறக்க முடியல.
சார் என்ன பயங்கரமா பாடுனீங்க சார்.
Once more, please.
सर हॉल का भाड़ा डबल हो जाएगा सर. लेट्स मूव ऑन.
Your team is safe.
सर
நான் லவ்வால பல பல்பு வாங்கின பையன், அதனால என் லைஃப் ஒளி வீசுது. அவ பின்னால நான் கூட போனேன்னு லவ்வ சொல்ல, சைனா போனில் சிக்னல் இல்ல போச்சே வட போச்சே. எதுக்குமே டைம் இல்ல. Because of him, boss, I don't have time to love girls. Okay? So எட்டிட்டா கடிகார முள்ள, அவளுக்கு ஒரு ஹாய் சொல்ல. ரிஹர்சல் பார்த்தேனே எனக்குள்ள, ஏக் துஜே கேலியேவ நான் இன்னும் பார்க்கல. இருந்து ஏரியாவில் லவ்வில் என்ன மிஞ்ச ஆளில்ல. டிங்கு டாங்கு பெல்லு பெல்லு புசி சிந்த வெல்லு, நீ தான் தரணும் பில்லு. டீ சொல்லு ஸ்ட்ராங்கா டீ சொல்லு.
சார் மைக் கொடுத்துருங்க சார் போதும். Let's have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. சார் நீங்க மைக்கும் வேணுமா சார்?
ஆல்வேஸ் எல்லாம் மைக் கொடுத்தா பேசிகிட்டே இருப்போம்.
இல்லை ரொம்ப நல்லா பாடினீங்க சார். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் சார். நீங்க பொண்ணுங்க சொல்லி ஏன் கண்ணுக்குள்ள பாக்குறீங்க சார்? நீங்க எனக்கே பயமா இருக்கு.
Guys, this is, I have to admit, this is better than Sriram's client presentation.
Radha sir, I love you. Thank you for being on my side. Okay. Where were we, man? We finished 2 contestants. Sir, आपका हो गया. आपको उस तरफ रहना sir. Please, sorry. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our next contestant. Just to remind you once again, this is a fashion ramp walk show. They're supposed to walk, do a jig. Whoever gets the loudest cheer ends up being the winner. Sir, your turn now, please.
रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का.
Contestant number 4.
इसके भूत को इशारा है, खैर ना जाने ना, अब तो क्या बुरा
number 8. And our final contestant, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big cheer for all our leaders, please. Ma'am, since I put this competition up, I'll only be deciding and giving the prizes. Please, Radha sir, this is for you. You did a fantastic job. Let's have a round of applause for Mr. Radha, everybody. Come on. Ma'am, this is for you. You were unbelievable. And, ma'am, क्या डांस किया आपने? आइए मैम. Come on, everybody. Let's have a round of applause. Sir, தப்பா நினைச்சுக்காதீங்க. மூணு புக் இருந்தது சார். Next year, already sir said next year I'm not coming. Photo निकाल लो. Thank you very much, sirs and ma'ams. Thank you very much. Let's have a round of applause for them, everybody. Come on. All right then. So let's move on now.